Hello everyone, welcome to HowToBrowser YouTube channel. In this video I have a Trello tutorial for you. Okay, and I'll show you how you can integrate Trello with Salesforce. This is very useful and can really improve and help your business, and it's a really powerful tool. So now let's jump right into the video, and don't forget to subscribe if this video will help you. So now what you have to do to integrate Trello with Salesforce is to go to Power Apps and then add Power Apps, and from here please go to the search bar, and here in the search bar please write Salesforce. Okay, and now we have 10 results. Click on the first result and click on add. Now here when you write a list something, here you can go to Power Apps, and here you can attach a case, a contract, attach a lead or opportunity maybe, and from here, as you can see, you can add your own Power Apps and you can add cells. But before doing that, you need to click on add. So click on add here and click on settings, and now you need to authorize your account, your Salesforce account, in order to use it with Trello. So please click on authorize account. Make sure you authorized Salesforce or Trello with Salesforce, so make sure you're doing that, and then you can use Salesforce with Trello, right? And now you'll be able to use, and from here you can also check and see if you have the Power Apps enabled. Make sure you authorize the account, and that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this video helped you. Let me know in the comment section if you have any questions, and thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.